Hello everyone. The 2019 Hong Kong Marathon will be held on this Sunday, the 17th of February. I believe all the participants are well prepared for this year's event. Not just the participants, but we are also prepared. In here, we have prepared over 200 radios for the staff in this event. Instead of the traditional analog radios, we used what we call a network radio, which means they do need internet to work. Our network radios can be used all over the world, and in that case, this will be the best tool for the staff to communicate with. We've also encountered some difficulties with this year's event. In some specific spots in the route are covered with noises, which means some of the staff would have a hard time in communicating. But no worries, we've supplied multiple gadgets like handheld microphone and earphones to make messages and orders more clear. Wish 2019 Hong Kong Marathon all the best.